Does your doctor accept your Medicare insurance plan? If you have a Medicare supplement, the answer is yes. So, we have people calling in all over the country all the time, upset because they're saying that their doctor's office does not accept their Cigna Medicare Supplement program, their Blue Cross Medicare Supplement program, their Humana Medicare Supplement program. And it's not a PFFS, a cost plan. It's not any type of Medicare Advantage plan, which is a network plan. And the reason that you bought a Medicare supplement is typically because there were reasons why you didn't want a network plan. It wasn't a good fit for you. You travel a lot. Your doctors were not in any one plan's network. Variety of reasons why you went with a Medicare supplement. And I love Medicare supplements. There's not a better plan for you, a Medicare supplement or Medicare Advantage. And if you click on this video up here, I can go into the differences between Medicare supplements and Medicare Advantage. They're both good. But I'm talking to the majority of consumers out there, millions of people that have a Medicare supplement plan. Now, you go to your doctor's office. I hate to generalize, but it's typically a young woman, and it's a low-paying entry-level job. You know, you're not getting your go-getter person up there, not to cut on these people, but they don't have a lot of training in insurance. So when you call there and you say, hey, do you accept my Cigna Medicare Supplement plan? They think HMO, PPO. So they go to the list and they go, no, we don't accept that. But they went to the wrong list. They went to the Med Advantage list, and they might not accept Cigna HealthSpring's Med Advantage program. But they do accept Medicare Supplement because they accept all Medicare Supplement. If you have a Medicare Supplement plan, F or G or N, anything but the select plans, which do require certain hospitals only. So let's just say if you have a Medicare Supplement plan, you can go to any doctor in the nation that accepts Medicare, original Medicare, direct original Medicare, okay? So there is no network. So when you talk to that lady at the front desk, she's confused. Don't get frustrated with her. Believe me, most of these ladies hate their job because they don't understand insurance. There might be 100 different insurance companies they're trying to deal with. They didn't have any education in insurance. It changes every day. This is our full-time job. We're specialists, certified, appointed, licensed in all states. We do annual testing. It's incredible how much work we go through to keep up to date on this. It's our full-time job. And then you're getting advice from some lady who might have been hired 3 months ago, minimum wage, working in the front office of a doctor's office, who doesn't really care, okay? So she's giving you the wrong advice all day long. And then you don't know who to trust. You're like, this agent I spoke with told me I could go to any doctor in the country that accepts Medicare. But I called my doctor's office and they said they don't accept my insurance. So of course you're confused. You don't know where to go. So you can look at the Medicare and You guideline. I mean, if you are one of the people that likes to do research online, you can research it online. Technically, you could call 1-800-MEDICARE. I've been on hold with Medicare several times this week, and I never had the wherewithal to stay on the call long enough to actually talk to someone, because after about 20, 30 minutes, I finally hung up. So I don't necessarily recommend you trying that route either, unless you have more patience than I do. But the truth is, you can go to any doctor. There is no network on a Medicare supplement plan. So when you want to check, call the doctor's office again. If you don't trust the lady in the front of the office, which typically, like I said, she doesn't know what she's talking about, you can ask for whoever handles insurance for them. And that's somebody in the back of the office. You can try to get connected to them. And that person has a higher level of understanding of how the insurance works. If you can get to that person, she will tell you the correct answer. It's hard to get to that person. So when you call in and you want to talk to the person in the front of the office, you just want to say, I have a Medicare supplement plan, not a Medicare Advantage. It is not a PPO, not an HMO. Do you accept my Medicare supplement plan? And really, like I'm trying to tell you, is you don't have to call them to ask them, because they do. But if you want to call them to ask them, you got to ask them the right question so that they can say, oh yeah, we accept all Medicare supplements. Okay, so it's just so frustrating, especially when you are getting different answers from all these different sources and you don't know who to trust. You can trust our family. We've been doing this. We're into the 3rd generation. This is one of the things we do. I don't want to say it's the only thing we do, because we do life insurance, we do annuities, short-term underage health insurance, we do travel insurance if you're going out of the country. We do a lot of stuff. But this is what we do the most of. We do work in all 50 states, and we know what we're talking about. You can call us if you have more questions on this topic. 1-800, the number's on the screen. You can email us. It's also on the screen, or it's in the notes below. You can go in and tell us your specific questions. We'll be happy to answer you and help you feel more comfortable with this very confusing topic. Thank you for watching.